Apt2B is an online furniture retailer specializing in mid-century and modern styles made with a focus on quick delivery and customization. Here's a breakdown of the benefits and drawbacks to consider if you're interested in their sofas. Pros. Style variety. Apt2B offers a wide selection of sofas in various sizes, colors, materials, leather, velvet, performance fabrics, etc. You're likely to find something that fits your aesthetic. Customization. With plenty of fabric and leg finish options, you can tailor the sofa's look to match your space perfectly. Relatively fast delivery. Many Apt2B sofas ship quickly, often with shorter lead times than competitors. Competitive prices. Apt2B sofas are often more affordable than similar styles from other brands. Cons. No showrooms. Since Apt2B is online only, you can't test the sofas in person before ordering. Fabric swatches are available to help with the decision. Mixed quality reviews. Some customers report great quality, while others express disappointment in materials or craftsmanship. Limited warranty. Most items have a short warranty period, sometimes only 1 year. Potentially costly returns. Returns can be expensive, often involving a restocking fee and customer-paid shipping costs. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.